watching over there.
Some of the whales join the group.
Oh,
Right.
wow.
So they're coming this way.
Oh, look at it.
Catches.
Yeah.
Look how close it's going to that ship.
Now switch in the direction.
That's an interesting way of doing it. Stop. Get in there.
Some of that then.
It might bite us, guys.
It's coming over.
Going backwards. Going backwards, but the whales they go. I'm gonna open the mouth. It's a little bit young. A little bit smaller than the others.
Wow.
Like towards our boat.
Yeah.
Tranquilo, então, pra já.
Together those two boats.
Yeah.
Look at the...
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Sit down one.
How old do you think the car? Year, did you say?
this year's.
Did he say?
This year's.
This year's car.
Oh, yeah.
Oops, that's a tiny one.
eye contact with them when they touched them.
That's touch though, isn't it?
They come up to touch that.
That's different from visual.
No, they can't contact with you. They really do look at their eyes.
How do they see you?
These will spy hop occasionally. They'll push themselves out.
Well, I don't know, but there's some form of communication.
No, I think and just visualization can't be the same as the visual.
There's a mother. She's 2 years old.
Why?
Yeah.
Like after out of Anglia. Big flash of a whale bridge.
Oh, okay. So what do we have here then? Another mother and a calf again? Or?
This is a competition group or a mating group.
Okay,
So
there's
it
a few
means
of them.
there's a female there and the rest males
Okay. What, how
involved in
many?
a fight.
3, 4 there?
Or yeah, like females 5-year-old, males like 8 years old. But at 8 years old they still. Sí, es lo que le digo, pues, le hacen bueno y hay muchas opciones porque hay papas, queso, hay pues más cosas ahí. On the web, but sounds are very low, very there. It was like carrying the baby, lifting the baby, pushing the baby up. There they have the eye.
Yes, it is.
Spectre of the- You can see the eye. The eye is it's right there to the left of the vector of the. You can see also the grooves there. Those are the ventral pleats.
Little mouth, sort of. Oh, nice little round. Oh, that's a roll, man. Just reaching back on.
Big wing. Well, at the same time.
Wow!
Gotcha.
Phenomenal! Oh, wow!
I got it on video.
I got the splash, but you couldn't see the tail. The tail was hidden in the water.
Spectre of fins.
Oh, fabulous.
Ladies over here go around. Hey, look, it's going down.
They're reaching
Okay. There he is. There he is, butterfly. There he is.
Fantastic.
Coming this way.
He was then, yeah. They will do it on one side, or they will do it upside down.
Going down. Okay. The other.
Chasing. He's been sending me a
I do that.
Do
you want to sit on the right? Sit down. Not down on the right.
That was a youngster. Can't see his tail bashing. Oh, wow. Oh, he's getting quite good at it. Do I look like that? Oh, I can't remember, dear, so long ago. Oh.